Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Abhijit and today in this video I will tell you how to delete a custom home page in Salesforce. In Salesforce Lightning, a custom home page is deleted through the app builder, and once you delete the custom home page, it will get permanently deleted from the Lightning pages. So let's move ahead and see the process of deleting a custom home page. So right now I'm in my Salesforce account, and here you can see this quick find box, and here you need to search for Lightning App Builder and just click on this Lightning App Builder, which you can see here. In the Lightning App Builder you will see the list of custom home pages and app pages, and from here you pick the home page which you want to delete right now. So this is the home page, user home page, which I want to delete. So simply click on this delete button, which you can see here. As you click on delete, you will see this window on your screen, and here you have to click OK for the confirmation to delete. And now we can see we are facing an error which is showing that unable to complete the request change. It means that the home page which we are going to delete is currently activated in any of the applications. So first we have to deactivate that home page from that application. So to deactivate the home page, you can follow the video given in the description. So right now I have deactivated this home page from all the applications, and now again I will click this delete button, and in the confirmation window just click on this OK button, and here you can see the user home page is finally deleted from the Lightning App Builder. So this was the process of deleting a custom home page in Salesforce, and I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.